Pad Thai is a delicious Thai stir-fried noodle dish that can easily be made at home with just a few ingredients. Here's a simple recipe for you to try. Ingredients: 8 ounces of rice noodles, half a pound of boneless chicken breast, cut into small pieces, 2 cloves of garlic, minced 2 shallots, finely chopped 2 eggs, beaten 1 cup of bean sprouts, 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, chopped 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 lime, cut into wedges. Instructions: soak the rice noodles in cold water for about 30 minutes or until they are soft. Drain and set aside. In a small bowl, mix the tamarind paste, fish sauce, brown sugar, and paprika together until well combined. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add the chicken and stir fry until it's no longer pink. Then add the garlic and shallots and continue to stir fry until they're fragrant. Push the chicken to one side of the wok and pour the beaten eggs onto the other side. Scramble the eggs until they're cooked and then mix them with the chicken. Add the noodles to the wok and stir fry until they're well coated with the chicken and egg mixture. Pour the tamarind sauce over the noodles and stir fry for a few minutes until everything is well combined. Add the bean sprouts and stir fry for another minute or until they're slightly wilted. Garnish with chopped peanuts and serve with lime wedges on the side. Enjoy your delicious homemade Pad Thai.